Children, in the previous class, I taught you addition of two fractions. Today, I shall teach you subtraction of two fractions. So, the method is same. Only instead of plus sign, we will use minus sign. So, let's do the sum of exercise 4H. Sum number A, subtract. Now, question number 1, you have to subtract 2 by 4 from 5 by 8. So first, what you have to do? You have to take the LCM of the denominators 8 and 4. So, LCM of 8 and 4. So here I shall use repeated division method to find out the LCM of 8 and 4. So divide them by 2. So 4 divided by 2, 2. Again divide them by 2, 4 divided by 2, 2 divided by 2, 1. Again divide them by 2, 1, 1. So LCM equal to 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2, that means equal to 8. Now children, you write the sum 5 by 8 minus 2 by 4. So what is the LCM of 8 and 4? You have to take the LCM of 8 and 4. And the LCM of 8 and 4 is 8. Now what you will do? You will divide this 8 by this denominator 8. So 8 divided by 8, 1. So 1 into the numerator. What is in the numerator? 5. So write 5. Now put the minus sign. Now again you divide this 8 by the denominator 4. So how much you are getting? 2. 8 divided by 4, 2. So 2 into, what is here in the numerator? 2. So 5 minus 2 is 4 and 1 5 is 5 by 8. That means 1 by 8. So answer 1 by 8. Now children, see sum number 4. Here you have to subtract 7 by 12 from 7 by 9. So first you have to take the LCM of the denominator 9 and 12. So LCM of 9 and 12. So first, here also I shall use repeated division method. So first divide them by 2. So 9 is not divisible by 2. So copy it down without dividing it. 9, 12 divided by 2, 6. Again divide them by 2. 9, here 6 divided by 2, 3. Now divide them by 3. So both of them are odd numbers. 9 divided by 3, 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. Again divide them by 3, 1, 1. So what is the LCM? LCM equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So 2 to the 4, 4 3s are 12. And 12 3s are 36. So now children, again you write the sum 7 by 9 minus 7 by 12. So what is the LCM of 9 and 12? 36. So in the denominator you write 36. Now 36 divided by 9, how much? 4. So 4 into 7 minus 36 divided by 12, how much? 3. So 3 into 7. Just like addition, only you have to put here minus. 7 4s are 28 minus 7 3s are 21 by 36. That means 28 minus 21, 7 by 36. So answer 7 by 36. Next, see sum number 7. You have to subtract 3 by 10 from 4 by 5. So first you have to take the LCM of the denominators 5 and 10. So LCM of 5 and 10. So here also I shall use repeated division method. Divide them by 2. So 5, 10 divided by 2, 5. So by 5, 1, divide them by 5, 1, 1. So LCM equal to 2 into 5. That means 10. Now children, you write the sum 4 by 5 minus 3 by 10. Now, what is the LCM of 5 and 10? 10. So, put in the denominator 10. Now, you divide this 10. 10 is divided by 5. So, 10 divided by 5, 2 into 4. Then because you have to write the numerator 4 minus, then 10 divided by 10. 10 divided by 10, how much? You are getting 1. So 1 into the numerator 3. So 4 2s are 8 minus 3 by 10. So 8 minus 3, 5. So 5 by 10. Now see children, there is common factor between 5 and 10. 5 into 1, 5 into 2. So 5 is common to both of them. So it will be 5 into 1, 5. So 1. And then 5 into 2, 2. So 5, 5 will be cancelled. And here it will be 2. So answer, this is equal to half. So answer, half. Children, let us do sum number 8. Now you have to subtract 5 by 12 from 7 by 9. So first you take the LCM of the denominators 9 and 12. So LCM of 9 and 12. So here also I shall use repeated division method to find out the LCM of 9 and 12. So first divide them by 2. So 9, 6. Again divide them by 2, 9, 3. Again divide them by 3, 3, 1. Again divide them by 3, 1, 1. So LCM equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So 2 to the 4, 4 3 is a 12, 12 3 is a 36. Now children, you write the sum 7 by 9 minus 5 by 12. So what is the LCM of 9 and 12? 36. So in the denominator you write 36. Now you divide 36 by 9. So 36 divided by 9, 4 into the numerator 7 minus 36 divided by 12, 3 into numerator 5. Now 7 4s are 28 and 5 3s are 15. So 15. So 28 minus 15 by 36. So how much it is coming? 8 minus 5, 3, 2 minus 1, 1. 13 by 36. So answer is 13 by 36. Now children, let's do sum number 10. You have to subtract 3 by 8 from 7 by 10. So LCM of 10 and 8. You have to take the LCM of the denominators 10 and 8. Now I shall use here also repeated division method to find out the LCM of 10 and 8. So divide them by 2. 10 divided by 2, 5. 8 divided by 2, 4. Again divide them by 2. So 5, 2. Again divide them by 2. So 5, 1. Again divide them by 5, 1, 1. Now you write the sum 7 by 10 minus 3 by 8. So what is the LCM of? So first you take the LCM, find out the LCM. So LCM equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 5s are 40. Now children, what is the LCM of 10 and 8? 40. So write in the denominator 40. Now 40 divided by 10, that is 4, into the numerator is 7, minus 40 divided by 8, 5, into the numerator is 3. So 7 fours are 28. Minus 5 threes are 15 by 40. Now children, so 28 minus 15. So 8 minus 5, 3. 2 minus 1, 1. So 13 by 40. So answer 13 by 40. That's all for today. Thank you. Children, take your homework.